Oh my gosh, our attorneys in this office, our defense team members, everyone in this office is so passionate about what we do.
It's a role that Michelle Jefferson Reese takes very seriously, what she considers a guardian of the Constitution.
Day by day, case by case. We guard that.
We being the Chesterfield Public Defender's Office, which Jefferson Reese leads. They're a team of attorneys who represent people accused of crimes but do not have the means to hire a lawyer.
It's a hard thing to fight all the government by yourself without representation. And if someone with means can afford to hire a lawyer, you shouldn't be denied that because you're not wealthy.
The Chesterfield office is fairly new, created in 2021. Before that, if someone could not afford legal representation, they would rely on private attorneys who accept court-appointed cases despite being compensated poorly. Jefferson Reese says opening this office was a game changer.
On average, we were getting about 600 cases a month.
But right now, her team is struggling. She's facing a staffing shortage with 20 out of 27 attorney positions that are currently filled. Some of those attorneys are actively working 200 cases at a time. They're here in court several hours a day while also reviewing police body camera footage, visiting clients in jail, and preparing dockets.
They get it done, but it's hard, it's difficult, and it's only so long you can keep that pace.
So Jefferson Reese sent this letter to Chesterfield General District Court's Chief Judge, James O'Connell, requesting that the court not appoint any new cases to her office on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays for 60 days so that they can catch up. Judge O'Connell responded that he would accept her proposal, quote, "since your office is severely understaffed." The relief began in March and will expire later this month.
We do great work here, but we don't want to take more cases than we're able to represent effectively. That's a disservice to everyone.
Though she's in the process of hiring, the pay is an issue. Public defenders do not make as much money as prosecutors.
On average, my attorneys who are starting out make about 25% less than the Commonwealth's attorneys.
Look at the salaries from last year. Jefferson Reese says Chesterfield public defenders start at $58,000. The lowest paid Commonwealth's attorneys made about $75,000. For both prosecutors and public defenders, the base pay is set by the state, but local governments can supplement salaries with their own dollars. In fact, the city of Richmond provides $1.2 million in funding to public defenders each year to bridge the gap in salary inequities. In Chesterfield, the county supplements prosecutor salaries with $3.4 million, but they give nothing to public defenders.
I've had people that have basically told me if they've had an offer from Richmond, they were going to go there because they would get paid more.
I reached out to Kevin Carroll, chairman of the Chesterfield Board of Supervisors, to ask if they've considered funding the public defender's office, and I have not heard back.
We are contributing in all ways to Chesterfield County and just want to be included in the public safety conversation.
I'm Tyler Lane, CBS 6 News.